Hello everyone, myself Sonam teacher. Today I am going to teach you for class 7th English textbook Honeycomb from that lesson number 6, that is expert detectives. In last episode we had talked about the expert detectives. Who were those? Yes, the Nishad, Maya and their elder brother, that is nothing but the author. The three children, they feel that we are the detectives. We are going to find out what is the actual name of that person who is the neighbor. Mr. Nath, who was the stranger for them, actually he was taking the treatment to the Nishad and Maya's mother, as she was a doctor. But they were come to know that Mr. Nath is living alone in the Ramesh house in the room number 10, and he was a single alone person who loves to live alone, and he was not talking too much to anyone else. The single one person who was coming to meet Mr. Nath every Sunday, and he was having meal with him. And every day the Ramesh was bringing the meal for Mr. Nath, and that time the Mr. Nath was giving the well tip to Ramesh. So they wondered how it is possible that person is not working, he is not doing any work for his earning, but he is paying daily cash for his meal and breakfast. And Ramesh told that he was paying the good tip or well tip for him, so it is mean that he is having much more money with him. He is not a poor person. The Maya said that he is a crook, and the author also feel that he is a crook, but the Nishad, to whom we are calling as 7, he does not agree with them that Mr. Nath is a crook. He feel that he is a poor guy who is not having a family or friends. He is living alone due to any of his past history. He is having any past, because of that his body is burned. As their mother told that the marks on Mr. Nath's body are of burning. So they feel that it might happen that Mr. Nath is a crook or criminal person, and while doing the fighting with, or he was just having a fighting with police, or he was doing something wrong, during that it happens. But that time also Nishad is not agree with them. The author feel that we have to make the list of all the points what we had collected about Mr. Nath. So it will be help us to find out actual things about Mr. Nath. So the author started to note down the different points what they collected about Mr. Nath. As his name is Mr. Nath, yes, so actually his name is Nath, but whether it is his first name or last name, they don't know. Why he is living alone? Why he is too quiet? Why he is not working? And if he is not working, then how he have, or how can he pay for his daily meal? How he can pay the rent of the house? So all those things they were just noting down, and the author is telling to the Maya and Nishad all those points. But that time also 7 is very disappointedly, or he was not happy to listen all these things. He was just listening and throwing. He was not that much interested for all those things, because he was having always soft corner about Mr. Nath, as he feel that I should be a friend of Mr. Nath, as he is a lone person. He wants to make him happy like other people. As he saw every time Mr. Nath was having a serious face, he was not having happiness, or he was not talking happily, or no any time smile on his face. So 7 is having very generous about him, but the other siblings were not agree with him. They were feeling that he is a criminal person, so we have to find out his history and we can help the police to catch him. So the next, what happened in the story, is it possible to them to find out the past of Mr. Nath? Let's see. Textbook page number 89, the second part of the story, catching a crook, means those little detectives helping to the cop to find out or to catch this crook, nothing but Mr. Nath. Expert detectives Nishad, Maya Pandit, by appointment to the whole world. See, then I began writing. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in the palms, reading the comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. Author asked to Maya and his brother that you just take it or you just listen it what I have wrote about the last hour. But that time just one time the Nishad nodded his head. I looked up questioningly. I have listened all the facts we know about Mr. Nath which might help us to trap him. I said, want to hear. Seven nodded. Means the author wanted to give just that, see what actually I have written, what we had just collected the information about Mr. Nath, and that time Seven also said, yes, I wanted to listen, but he was not happy that much to listen it. He just said okay and he nodded his head. Fact number 1, author is saying, fact number 1, I read, his name is Mr. Nath, we must discover his first name. Do you think that is his real name? Maya, Nishad asked. See, when the author said that, the fact number 1 is that his name is Mr. Nath, but what is actually his first name? By listening Mr. Nath, it might be his surname. So what will be the first name? Do you think that is his real name? See, Maya said, just Nishad asked to Maya, do you feel that his real name that is? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an Alice name, Alice that is an alternate name, another name. In fact, I added a big question mark after Nath. Fact number 2, I read on the tenants at Shankar's house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. See, the Mr. Nath was living in the home of Ramesh, so that the Ramesh family member also told that they are also afraid of Mr. Nath as he is very strange. They feel that he is a mad person, strange and unfriendly. See, if someone is staying at your home as a paying guest, okay, and he is not talking properly with you, or if you are interested to talk with him, that time also he is just ignoring you, or suddenly sometime he talk with you, or he is talking whatever sentences he is using, it is not properly. That time you feel that how maybe he is mad person, how he is talking. Same way it happens that Shankar's family member also said that he is a mad person, strange one, and he is unfriendly. He is not unfriendly, he never talked properly with anyone else. So, the fact number 3 which was noted by the author is, he does not talk to anyone and is mannerless. See, when he is not talking with anyone else, that time they feel that he is mannerless person. Actually, to whom we call mannerless? Yes, the persons who are not talking properly, means if you are a small child, you have to talk politely with the next person, though it is a small one or younger one, a big elder person. Yes, but if you are not talking with the proper voice tone, then also the people can say that you are mannerless. So, why those people are thinking that Mr. Nath is mannerless? Because he ignored the peoples. The people talking with him, he ignores. But he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama said he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. See, Nishad always with Mr. Nath, he was having the good soft corner or positive thinking about Mr. Nath. So, he just in between said that, but Mr. Nath is talking to us. Though the other people or Shankar's family member are telling that Mr. Nath is not talkative, he is not talking with anyone else, he is mannerless. Then to Nishad said that no, but he is talking with us, and mother said that he is very polite. That time the author said that he only talked to us because he had to. I said, and since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. 7 nodded. See, the author said that Mr. Nath is talking with us because he is taking treatment to our mother. Yes, as our mother is a doctor and he is patient, so he is talking with us politely, or he just sometime talk with us. Otherwise, he might be not talking with us. Then the author said that he is never receiving any letter. See, regularly or in normal life it might happen that at least one courier or letter, whatever it comes on our address, but as more than 1 hour Mr. Nath is living in that room number 10, never he received any letter from anyone, his family members, relatives, or where he works. Actually he was not working, so there was no any issue to getting any letter from the office. So that time 7 nodded his head, as he was not again opposite to Mr. Nath. The fact number 5, he is been living in room 10 of Shankar's house for more than 1 year. I continued. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all the day. See, all day he was sitting in the room and he was not working anything else. He was not going outside. At one place, in one room only he was sitting alone, and he never talked with others also. Number 7, the kids in the Shankar's house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Who are scared of him? Yes, some of children's and the elders too from the Ramesh house are scared of him. Why? Because of his skinny nature, skinny or the bony scale. He is very thin person, and he was having some marks of the burning on his face and body. So due to that, he was not looking that much handsome, or his appearance was not good. So some of the children and the grown-ups also afraid or scared of him, and they are not able to talk with him, or they just ignore to talk with Mr. Nath. And as previously we come to know that Mr. Nath is very less talkative, he was quiet person. So they feel that he is having ego, or he is a very dangerous person, or something else. So they just scared about him and does not talk with him. The fact number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visit him on Sundays for lunch. Every Sunday, one person was visiting Mr. Nath for the lunch. He was joining for the lunch, and he was also not coming on the other days. Only on Sundays he comes, and they both talk with each other. And as previously, the waiter, that person who was bringing meal for Mr. Nath, he was also told that the person who comes on the Sundays, he is very talkative. He was just always start to talk with Mr. Nath, but during that time also, with that person also, Mr. Nath talk very less, or very few time Mr. Nath just give the reply, or he is talking with that person. Number 9, the fact number 9 which was noted by the author, that is, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. See, downstairs of that building there was a restaurant, and the Ramesh was bringing the food meal for Mr. Nath. Every day he was bringing the breakfast, tea and the lunch for Mr. Nath, and while giving it to Mr. Nath, he is receiving the cash of that bill of that meal, and always Mr. Nath was giving the well tip to Ramesh as he is bringing bill for him. Means though he was not working anywhere else, then too he was having the money, and he was spending that money for just his daily livelihoods, to get the food, to give the that bill of restaurant, or for the rent of home. Doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything, 7? See, at the end of the list, the author said that I have finished with my list. Have you feel something I forgotten? Then the 7 was kept quiet and he was not saying anything. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. See, here the author was asking that something I am missing to write about Mr. Nath, what we know. But that time also the Nishad was not giving attention towards the author's talking or what he was telling about, and he just said that poor man. To whom? Yes, to Mr. Nath he was saying that he was poor man, and he talked with Maya that do you feel he is poor guy because he is lonely person who is living alone without friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. See, the author was get angry and he said that how can a crook have friends, idiot? See, he was angrily said that how it is possible that any crook is having friends. The criminals are never having the friends. And the author shouted on Nishad. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. Then Nishad feel good that at least he is having one friend, that is who visiting him on every Sunday. On every Sunday, the person who is coming to Mr. Nath, to him Nishad feel that he is Mr. Nath's best friend, or he might be Mr. Nath's friend. So, he is coming to visit Mr. Nath. Though Mr. Nath is not talkative, he kept quiet, then to this person is talking with him a lot. See, sometimes it happens that some children are having the quiet nature, they are not talkative, but their friends are talkative. So, Nishad feel that though Mr. Nath is quiet, but his friend is talkative, so it is good at least one friend Mr. Nath is having with him, because he feel that Mr. Nath is very poor person, he is not having family, friends, and he is living alone. He feel very bad about Mr. Nath. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime. See, again the author said that it might be the person who is visiting Mr. Nath on Sunday, he is nothing but the person who was accompanied him for the crime. See, whenever you read the news in the newspaper regarding the crime, that time not a single criminal's name coming in the newspaper. Yes, suppose the first day police disclosed the one name, in the investigation afterwards they had just released few more names, means they were accompanied him for the crime. Same way the author feel that might be the person who is coming on the Sunday, he is a criminal who was giving company to Mr. Nath for this crime. I said maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner. See, again the author just think out that it happens that might be they did any wrong thing, they had loot, and that all the money and whatever gold they were having in the loot, that is kept to Mr. Nath or it is with him. So, they are just now making it into parts, or they were just distributing it together. Mr. Nath for expenses, that is I am sure I am right. See, author is very confidently saying that I am sure I am right. Yes, that is the fact that Mr. Nath is not going for the work, not going for the job, then too he is having the money. So, from where it came? Yes, from that loot only he was using the money. Then too the 7 was not happy by listening this. if you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. See, angrily Nishad said to Maya, if again one time, at least a single time you will say him a criminal, then I will not talk with you. Because Nishad was not feeling that Mr. Nath is a crook or a criminal. He was having the soft corner. He felt very bad as everyone is talking about Mr. Nath as a criminal and calling him criminal or crook. He said that if a single time now you will say he is a crook or bad man, then I am not going to take part in your investigation, whatever you are doing. You have to do yourself. See, many times it happens with us. Yes, suppose you are having a best friend and someone is talking bad things about your friend. That time you also feel that why those people are using such bad words for my friend, and you also start fighting with that person. Means you just say few words about your friend that he is a good person. Angrily you will refuse to listen those words. Automatically you will having a backup, or just you will say that I am with him. Why you are saying such things about him? Same way Nishad always with Mr. Nath, he was not agree to listen anything about Mr. Nath like he is a criminal. He can't be a such bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. Then Nishad wanted to explain his siblings that how can Mr. Nath is not a criminal. Suppose a bad person or criminal Mr. Nath is, then how it is possible that he is paying the well tip to the Ramesh. The criminals are not having the generosity. Yes, they are not generous at all. But Mr. Nath is a generous person who always give the well tip to Ramesh, as Ramesh is a poor guy. But then too the author is not agree with Nishad, and the author said that Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bibbling him to keep quiet, is I said. Then author said that it might happen that Mr. Nath is having a past about a criminal life and Ramesh is knowing something about his past, and due to that the Mr. Nath is giving more money or well tip to Ramesh to keep quiet and not to tell anyone about his past life. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude 7? I asked. Then the author get angry with 7 and he said that if always you are having the positivity about Mr. Nath, you have the positive thinking about Mr. Nath, and you are not agree to know or agree to say that Mr. Nath is a crook or a criminal person, so it will not possible that will make any progress in investigation. Our investigation will be useless. It will not get progress. We will stop at particular point that he is criminal or not. He is criminal or not. As we are saying he is a criminal, he is a crook who ran and Cope is searching for him, but then too you are not agree with us. So the author get angry and said that to 7, it will not possible if you will be with us with this same attitude that Mr. Nath is not a crook. I will cooperate you only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said 7. See, again the 7 is fixed on his own thinking and he said that I will cooperate you, but there will be one condition, and that condition is that you should not say him a crook. The idea about him being an escaped crook, you should be stop thinking. Means the Nishad is wanted to say that you don't say Mr. Nath is a criminal. If instantly, continuously you are saying that Mr. Nath is a criminal, he is a crook, he just ran away from the Cope, we have to catch him and give to the Cope, then I am not going to give a company to you, or I am not going to join your group, or I will just go out of this investigation. With very faithfully, he was having the faith on Mr. Nath that he never be a criminal. You really make me angry. Then author get angry and said that you really make me angry. Why you are taking always the positive corner, or you always having a soft corner for Mr. Nath? I almost hit him. The author and the 7 was started fighting. Angrily they both just hit each other. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. Again the author shouted on the 7 that you not make me I not make you angry, you only making us angry, that saying Mr. Nath is not crook and he is a good guy. You make me mad. What is? You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? See, if Mr. Nath is not crook, why he is living alone? Why he is not having friends? Why he always paying the good or well tip to the Ramesh where it is not needed? Or why he is not mixing with the people? He likes to live alone and he was not allowed anyone to enter in the room number 10. As in room number 10, Mr. Nath was living alone and he was having a big trunk. And once the Nishad was tried to reach to that trunk to see what is actually inside it, but the Mr. Nath does not allow him and he just said him to go out. And for that purpose, Nishad was giving the bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath, but that also he was refused, or he took and he just said him to go outside. The Nishad tried to go enter in the home of Mr. Nath by asking the marble. That time also he was unable to find out anything. So that the author said that if he is not a criminal, why he is not allowing anyone to enter in the home? He is not showing what is he kept in that trunk. Miss everything by his behavior, they feel that he is a criminal person. So he is behaving like so. If you think he is a nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. See, the author said that if you feel that he is not a criminal, then why you bothered about him? You also not friendly talking with him, or you also feel some fear, or you are also scarce about him. It should not happen. Then Nishad looked thoughtfully. Nishad was also started to think, yes, I am saying that always Mr. Nath is not a crook, then why I also scare about him? He also start thinking. I did like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. Then Nishad said that only I wanted to know that why he is living alone and why he is not having a good health, why he is too thin. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and live alone. Nishad was just having the soft corner about Mr. Nath. Why his life is like that? He is living alone, no family, no friends, and he like to love or he loves to live alone. Try to understand 7. I told him if he is lived in Shankar's house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. Then the author said that there is a simple funda, the simple thing that the Shankar's house, in the Shankar's house he was living more than 1 year. Then too he is not having a single friend. He is not making friendship with anyone else because he doesn't want to make him recognized by anyone. If someone recognize him, they will call the police that he is a criminal. Maybe no one tried to make him friend with him, Nishad protested. Again the Nishad said that no, this is not the reality. It might happen that no one tried to be friend with Mr. Nath. Then the author get angry and said, why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Then Nishad said that I don't know why other people's bothering with him. They does not like to be friend with Mr. Nath. But Nishad said that yes, I am going to be a best friend of Mr. Nath. I am going to try, or I am just offering him a friendship, though all people does not like him. Friends with crook? Ha, "You are crazy, Seven," I said. "The cops will take you to the jail with him. Do you want that to happen? You idiot." See, the author was get angry with Nishad and said that you are idiot person, you are not thinking properly. What you feel that you will make a friendship with a crook, then automatically cop will arrest you with that person. Means as your friend is criminal, they feel you also a criminal. Then also the Nishad is not agree to listen all those things. Nishad merely glared at me and quickly walked out of the room. My theories seem to be have made no impression on him at all. The author was continuously telling that yes, he is a crook, he is a bad person, but Nishad never listened, and at the end of the story also he was not agree with anyone else, and he was fixed on his mind thinking that Mr. Nath is a good person, he is always quiet, it may happen due to his past life. Then too he liked to be friend of Mr. Nath. In this way, the little detectives tried to investigate the case of Mr. Nath, but at the end of the story or end of the investigation, they were unable to find out all the consequences because of Nishad's attitude. So, read this story properly and write the names of characters in your notebook. Thank you.